Hey folks, I found this all-natural product called 30% Vinegar by Harris at Walmart for around 20 bucks. And I tell you, this stuff works like a champ. Look at this. This is Dallas grass, man. Like the hardest plant to kill in the world. I shot this about, well, I don't know. I did a spray of this. Did about 15 sprays on it. This is yesterday I did it. And now look at this plant. This sucker's wiped out. So this stuff works really, really well. Let me show you my other weeds I shot. Okay, I shot a couple of these little guys right here. And man, they're just like super dead. Okay, I gave this weed here a spray yesterday, and look at that. That's it. That is this now. This is another one right here, so you can see a good shot here. Let me get out of the sun here. There we go, in the sun, so you can see it. Look at that. This sucker's devastated. Okay, that's 2 squirts. It's dead, right next to the live stuff. Look at that. This stuff works like a champ. I tell you what, folks, it's all natural. It's definitely going to not hurt the environment here like MSA Target 6 or any defoliant you're going to use. The impact is about 2 to 3 days. You can start using the soil right after that, after 2 or 3 days. So, I mean, give it a try. 30% vinegar works for me. Good luck. God bless.